Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share my MERN Stack Internship Experience at WebStack Academy. Talking about me, my name is Gayatri Tasalwar. I am currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in computer engineering from Cummins College of Engineering for Women, Nagpur. I got an opportunity to be a part of an internship organized by WebStack Academy, and it has been a great learning experience for me. During this internship, I explored different technologies used in web development, and I realized that I truly enjoy designing and developing websites. I have a strong interest in web development because I love the process of converting ideas into real-world websites. My goal is to become a skilled web developer and build a successful career in this field. This internship has really helped me to improve my technical skills, understand how projects actually work, and gain more confidence in building the web applications. Next is project overview. My project is a web-based platform designed for booking and renting properties. The main purpose of this project is to connect people who want to rent out their properties with users who are searching for a place to stay. Let me explain the major features of my project in a simple way. First, the platform has a user authentication system where users can register, log in securely, and manage their profiles. Next, there is a property listing feature. Property owners can upload details such as location, price, amenities, and availability to list their property on the website. To make a searching easier, I have added a search and filtering options where users can filter properties, budget, dates, and type of property. After selecting a property, users can make bookings and reservations for specific dates. They can also view and manage their previous bookings. For a complete user experience, there is also payment integration which allows secure online transaction between guests and property owners. Lastly, the website is built with a responsive design, so it works smoothly on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. The main aim of this project is to provide a user-friendly platform where users can easily search, book, and pay for properties online. Through this project, I got a hands-on experience in full-stack development, and I learned how to combine front-end, back-end, and database technologies together to build a complete MERN Stack working application. This presentation explains how websites are developed using technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Node.js, Express.js, and MongoDB. After explaining the slides, I will show a short demo of my project Homely Hub, which is property booking and management web application. HTML forms the structure of every web page. It helps create text, headings, buttons, images, and forms. In my project, HTML defines the layout of pages like home, login, and property details. I also used semantic HTML5 tags such as header, section, and footer to make my code easier to read and more SEO friendly. The role of CSS. CSS adds style and design to the website. It manages color, spacing, and page layouts. I used Bootstrap and custom CSS to make the website responsive, meaning it automatically adjusts on phones, tablets, and desktops. I also added hover effects and small animations to make the property cards and buttons look attractive. The role of JavaScript. JavaScript adds functionality to the website. It allows the page to react when a user clicks buttons, fill forms, or interact with the website. In my project, JavaScript helps to fetch the property details from the backend without reloading the page using async and await. This makes the website faster and gives a smoother experience for the user. Introduction to React. React is a JavaScript library used for building the user interface. It follows a component-based architecture, meaning every part of website like navbar, property cards, booking page is a reusable component. React's virtual DOM updates only what changes, improving speed. I also use React Router DOM for page navigation and Redux for managing global data like user login and property list. Introduction to MERN Stack. MERN Stack for MongoDB, Express, React and Node. MongoDB stores data like users, properties and bookings. Express.js is the backend framework that manages APIs. React.js builds the front-end user interface. Node.js runs the backend logic. The MERN Stack allows us to use JavaScript for everything, make it faster and easier to connect the front-end and backend. This is the website workflow overview. When a user opens the website, the browser sends a request to the server. The server responds with the website files, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. When a user logs in or books a property, React sends a request to the backend through Axios. The backend checks the data, communicates with MongoDB and returns the response. React then updates the page instantly without reloading. This process makes the site fast and interactive to the user. This is my project Homely Hub. This is a full stack web application for viewing and booking rental properties. The main feature of my project is user sign up and login, secure JWT authentication, browse and view property details, book a property, see all bookings under my bookings, responsive design for all screens. The frontend is deployed on Netlify and the backend is hosted on Render. Now I am giving the demo of my project. The home page of my project look like this. There are so many list of properties which user can book for their bookings. It displays featured properties and has a navigation links for home, about, contact and login. The layout is clean, responsive and built using React components and Bootstrap CSS. The page loads quickly and works smoothly both desktop and mobile. Second is login and sign up. This is the login and sign up page for the users. If any new user is handling this website, then he has to give his or her name, email, password, confirm password, phone number, then register. The pop-up is shown like this, that you can save your passwords and username for future purpose. Next is login page. User can log in securely by entering their email and password. This data is verified using backend APIs, and once authenticated, The server sends back a JWT token to maintain the session securely. New users can also register easily and their details are stored in the MongoDB. After login, users can view a list of available properties. Each card shows the property image. When we click on any one of the properties, each property card shows the detail page of that property, like pictures of that properties, description, what this place offers, the amenities or facilities this place offers, and this detail page fetch directly from the MongoDB using an API call. This transfer happens instantly with the help of Express and React state updates. Here, the user can book the property by clicking the Book Now button. If we have to book the Munnar property from 18 November to 20 November, the number of guests are 2. Suppose I write name of guest is Lily, phone number anything, here the user can book the property by booking on this, and the page is showing like this that you have completed your booking for Munnar farmhouse. This shows check-in, check-out date, number of guests, number of nights and total amount. If we want to proceed for payment, then we click on this. The page will appear like this, and if you want to confirm the payment, you can confirm the payment. Then the property which we have booked will shown on the My Bookings page. All the properties user has booked. The section uses secure token-based access to ensure only that user's data is shown. Project also includes My Accommodations. Like if we want to add any property or any house on this website which we have to sold, then we can click on the Add New Place, enter any name, address. I am writing Mumbai, state, upload any photo like giving description, property type, this house, room type, entire home, amenities means facilities available, kitchen, free parking, Wi-Fi and TV. Extra information you can write here anything. Check-in, check-out time, maximum number of guests 10, maximum price per night 1000. Save. This can be saved in the backend. If user want to edit their profile, they can click edit profile. The page will look like this, that they can give name and phone number, and they can choose their avatar means profile photo add anything. Then they click on the update and the profile will update. If we want to search the destinations for the Goa, we can search Goa. And click on search. The properties present in the Goa will display on the page. We can also apply price filters, property, room type, amenities, filters, and can clear them. The user can log out. These are the codes for accommodation, filters, main page of the project, header, bookings, payment, and lots of things, property listing, property images. We also have backend files like API features.js, env file, index.js. These are all my HomeHub projects files. Backend of my project HomeHub is stored inside the MongoDB. That bookings are present inside the bookings that we have booked for the user. The properties list we have seen on the main page, that is stored inside that folder. Users, which new users we have registered, this stored inside that users folders. The file during this project I learned how to build a full stack app using the MERN Stack, connect front-end and back-end using APIs, store and manage data in MongoDB, add authentication with the JWT. I also learned how to debug efficiently, improve user interface design, and manage data flow using Redux. So at last, to conclude my whole internship project of MERN Stack, the Homely Hub is a complete MERN Stack web application that connects user server and database smoothly. This project helped me to gain a practical knowledge of web development and understand how real-world websites function. It improved my problem solving, coding, and design skills and gave me confidence in building full stack applications from scratch. For this, I am very thankful to the WebStack Academy, which gives me the internship of these MERN Stack projects.